In previous modules, we've looked specifically at the 100 trying and the 180 ringing provisional responses. In this module, we'll introduce other provisional responses. The full range of provisional responses is listed in the SIP spec, RFC 3261. You'll notice that, including the 100 and the 180, there are only 5 defined. There's the 181, call is being forwarded, that updates the caller to report that the call is being forwarded to an alternative address. The 182 tells the caller that his request is in a queue, and the 183 session progress, well, it's used to report something generic is happening, but without going into specifics. Like all provisional responses, the 181, the 182 and the 183 just report progress on how a request is being fulfilled. They're not conclusive. Now, although there's only 5 provisional responses formally defined in the spec, the RFC says it's okay for developers to build custom provisional responses if they like. It might be that as a developer develops his SIP application, he finds a need to report back to the caller some provisional update that's unique to his environment. That's okay. SIP says it's just fine to create custom provisional responses so long as they adhere to the family characteristics. That way, even if a SIP device doesn't recognize the response personally, because it starts with a 1, it knows it's a provisional family member and therefore is simply to report progress. If you're ever searching through a SIP log and encounter a response you don't recognize, it's okay. It's perfectly legit to create custom responses for custom purposes. So, provisional responses, we've introduced the 181 call is being forwarded, that reports the call is being forwarded, the 182 queued, that reports the request is in a queue, and the 183 session progress, that reports something generic. The SIP spec also allows the use of custom responses with custom status codes and custom reason phrases. The key thing is that custom responses adhere to family characteristics, that beginning with a 1, they simply provide an update report and don't attempt to conclude anything.